Ever wonder how to get that smooth, polished look on faces right within Lightroom without jumping to Photoshop? Today, we're diving into precisely how to smooth a face in Lightroom, focusing on smart local adjustments. First, head over to the Develop module and grab the Adjustment Brush tool. With the brush selected, we're going to make some crucial initial adjustments, slightly decrease the clarity and texture sliders, is the core of our smoothing. Now, carefully and gently brush over the areas of the skin you want to smooth. Think cheeks, forehead, and chin. The key here is not to overdo it. We want to maintain a natural look, not create a plastic effect. For an extra touch, you can slightly boost the luminance of the brush area. This helps to subtly brighten and even out skin tones. See the subtle yet effective difference? It's about enhancing, not erasing. While Lightroom is great for quick adjustments, remember that for truly advanced skin work like frequency separation, a dedicated program like Photoshop will offer more robust tools. Mastering these Lightroom techniques will elevate your portraits, giving faces a beautifully refined and natural smoothness.